Hello everyone, welcome to my twin, Thomas 1, Thomas 2. Just kidding. I want to talk a little bit about presentation of your science graduation portfolio. I think your presentation is going to be better if you share your screen with me during the presentation. That way I can see the same thing that you look at while you talk, and in the best case scenario, what that would be is you share the slides that you have prepared for the presentation. I'm going to show you really quickly, really easily, especially for those who don't know how to do it. I'm sure some of you know how to do it, so forget about it. But those of you who don't know how to do it, this is how you do it, especially if you have the iPad. So step number 1 is you have to download the Google Meet app, which is free and super easy to download. Once you downloaded it, you open it. Boom. So once you open it, you see this screen. Okay, now you see me 2 times, maybe 3 times. Yeah, 3 times. Boom. I'm kidding. So once you have the screen, you go to new meeting because you want to have your presentation, and for your presentation you're gonna have a meeting with me. So click new meeting. Boom. So as you click new meeting, the first thing that pops up is this beautiful window. It says share joining information. Touch it, share joining information, and this pops up. You want to share it by emailing me, so click email, and now you want to put in my address, which is Thomas IHS boom 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 boom. Now you share it by send it to me. Okay, so now I have your email, I received the information, I could join you. If I join you right now, I see you, I see your face, I see the video, and maybe you don't want to do a video presentation. But what I really want to see anyway is your slides as you present. So you touch the screen, and at the bottom, at the corner up here, you have these 3 things show up, and you want to touch the dot, and the moment you touch the dot, in the lower half of the screen, this thing pops up. So now you want to press present screen. Boom. You present screen. Now one more thing, you have to press start broadcast. You start the broadcast, and now you are ready. I hope you have your slides ready. So pull up your slides and I can see them. Let's say if I wanted to present the New York Times with you, I click New York Times and you can see the same thing as I see, or the other way around, I would be able to see your presentation. So hopefully this helps, and I think everyone can do the presentation by sharing the screen. It's much better than just a phone call, because this way we can see the same slides at the same time, and it's easier for me to ask you a question for clarification or whatever. If you have any questions or don't feel comfortable doing it this way, please let me know. More videos to come later this evening. Bye.